I've made a severe and continuous lapse in my judgment.
I made the .uwu file extension. What is UwuCodec? What is the .uwu file extension? It's a file extension for everything. Yes, everything. Like, why do you need different file types? Why not just have one single file type? Like, what could go wrong? Right? The Uwu file extension is encoded into Uwu bytes. Yes, you heard me. So you may ask me, what are the advantages? Well, I just told you the advantages. I don't know what you mean. It's a simplified file extension. All you need is one codec, and you have every single piece of media in just one file type. What are the disadvantages, you may ask? Uwu file extension is 17.154158015 times more larger than the normal typical file extension. But who cares? Look at the benefits. Oh yeah, and also big warning here, I made this video back in January and I was supposed to finish it in January. However, I didn't, so I'm uploading it now as a 1,000 subscriber special. Thank you guys for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, just keep that in mind. That means my Rust skills are non-existent and I probably would have done a lot of dumb stuff. So yes, be a little light on the comments, please. I'm gonna create a new folder here, if I can. I'm gonna name this the UwuCodec. I'm gonna open up a terminal in here. I'm gonna do cargo init. Oh, I should have done init library. My bad. So let me just actually. I think I just have to delete everything in here. Cargo. I think it's dash just lib. I don't know. Let's see how placed. Should be dash just lib. Yeah. I've got library. I'm gonna keep this test, little test file here, because we're gonna use this to actually test our library, and we're gonna add these dependencies to our library. By the way, I really have any Rust experience, so I'm trying to think like what would be the best way to do this. I'm gonna have to like look at my previous projects because I don't know how this is done again. Oh, we never had mod.rs. Yeah, so I watched a couple of YouTube videos on Rust modules and I ended up understanding it in the end. Okay, I think we got it now. That's gonna be my structure. And then we're gonna have these functions inside of that. Also inside of the codec. But instead, I think we should have this named just decode and encode. And we should make it public. Or, I don't know. Should we make it public? Can we still access a function when it's not public? I think that's not how it works in Rust. I think you have to make it public if you want to access it from another module. In any way, I believe. I don't need version anymore, it's just purely string now. No longer need that. Guys, I need to add all of this into my UwuCodec. This is gonna take years. This is gonna be so difficult. And we're gonna also need extended character set as well. Yeah, I didn't think this through, did I? Okay, wait, I think we've sort of come up with something here. So this is giving us every character in, I believe, ASCII. Standard character set, this goes up to 255. So the original standard ASCII was only initially composed of 128 characters. Oh my gosh, we have something. Okay, but these ones are not gonna work. Okay, so I think what we can do to fix this is by implement these. 0 I think should just be O, and 1 should just be like big O. And then we have a bunch of these. Yeah, I think we can do this. It would increase the size of the file a lot, but we don't care about efficiency here. Okay, perfect. I think we have it. And with a little bit of coding after, we made a breakthrough. Okay, we've converted it into the Uwu file. Oh my gosh, we've done it. This is amazing. Moment of truth. Let's actually decode the image here. Oh my god, we did it, guys. Okay, the next step is opening files. Alright, so we should be able to now play this.
You know what the best fucking thing in my life is? I'll tell you right now. It's this thing. Listen to the fucking thing. I love you so it's unreal.
We can also check out the file size for this. So this is the MOV here, which is around 826 kilobits, kb. Oh, extension is 40 megabytes. Yeah,